girlies, welcome back to my channel. We're doing the damn thing here on YouTube. If you're coming over from TikTok, thank you so much. I love my TikTok family, so it means so much to me that you're joining me for my YouTube journey. I am fairly new to YouTube, so please bear with me. I am trying to learn how to use this app. If you're not already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post a new video. Right now I'm shooting for Tuesdays and Thursdays because eventually I want to do more videos, but I unfortunately have a real job and it takes up a majority of my time. Today's video is an exciting video. If you follow me on TikTok, you know I've been transforming my spare bedroom into a spare bedroom slash filming area for me, and she is officially done. There's a couple other things I kind of want to switch up and change, but for the most part, she's perfect. I love her so much, and I want to give you a little room tour. So if you want to see how she turned out, keep watching. All right, ladies, let's get into it. Right when you walk into the bedroom, this is the view that you get. I'm absolutely in love with her. First thing that you see is the bed. I decided to keep the bed because if we do have people spend the night, I still want them to have a little area that they can come to and have a comfortable place to stay. But the thing I love the most about the bed is obviously the comforter. Look at how gorgeous she is. It's a little Juicy Couture comforter that I found on Amazon. I do have it linked on my Amazon storefront if you are interested. And then I just put these little bunnies just because it's Easter and we are festive in this family. At the end of the bed over here, of course, everywhere that I am, Olive goes. So she needs a little princess bed as well. So I do have a little doggy bed here at the end of the bed for her. Don't worry, if you spend the night, I will wash all of the sheets so you won't have any of Olive germs on you. I do have my little Mean Girls blanket, thanks to my girl Amy from TikTok. Love you, girl. And then I just have this little bed tray at the end with a candle and a little flower. Over here on the wall, I have a poster of Marilyn Monroe, the Queen of all queens. My husband bought me this and it meant so much to me because when he met me, I had my own spot and I had Marilyn Monroe posters all over my apartment. I'm just obsessed with her. I think she's absolutely gorgeous and I love her. On the wall over here, my daughter bought me these little post-its from Amazon and they're just like pink aesthetic photos. I absolutely love how this turned out. I mean, look at how gorgeous it looks. Moving on to the side of the bed, I just have this little nightstand that I got from IKEA. Don't mind the laundry hamper. We do laundry in this spare bedroom since nobody uses it. We just pile the clothes up here and then fold it. And on top of my little nightstand, I have my camera batteries, this cute little Frenchie that I found at Target, my tin burn book that I got from my girl Diana. Thank you, girl. And then this little vase is from Target and I just put remote controls in there. I thought it was cute, so we just let her stay right there. This little drawer right here on the nightstand has everything that I use for my pack my bag emergency kits. I decided to keep it in the spare bedroom because this is everything that somebody that comes over can use as well. On the side of the nightstand, I just have this little electrical garbage can, but she's broken. I don't know why she does that. My husband installed a little TV in here, which I absolutely love because like I said, I do laundry in here and I can catch up on my show while I'm doing laundry. This mirror was a gift from my husband on Christmas and I absolutely am obsessed with her. I mean, look at how gorgeous she is. She is perfect for selfies and I can't rave enough about her. She was on Amazon, so I will have her linked in my Amazon storefront if you're interested. If you follow me on TikTok, you know how excited I was to find this little Hello Kitty Impressions vanity stool. She is perfect for when I'm filming my pack my bags. I just sit right here, or she's great if you want to take pictures on her too. She's so beautiful. I love her so much. Moving on to this wall, I just put some little butterflies over here that I got from Amazon. Everything is from Amazon. I live on Amazon. This little "you're like really pretty" sign is from my daughter for Christmas. This little squiggly mirror, I know I have 2 squiggly mirrors. I'm just obsessed with them. This one here is from Home Goods, and I just could not pass her up. She was just too cute. And then I have my little sparkly football because I am a football mommy. And then of course we need a Bath & Body Works candle. That is a must in every room. And then these little balloon dogs are also from TJ Maxx. They are too cute. I mean, look at how adorable they are. Right in between the little doggies, I have this Juicy Couture diffuser, and then of course my little coaster. I'm not going to get into too much detail of these little drawers because they are filled with junk. I think my husband's ties are in here, there's books, and then that's my junk drawer. I have this little flower bear right here with this little My Melody Lego that I built myself. My Barbie magazine over here with a little SNL Miss Glam makeup bag. And then all the way at the bottom, I just have my Louis Vuitton inspired rain boots that don't fit me, so I use them for decor. Do not mind this madness right over here. I have Poshmark items here. This Barbie bag is a giveaway, and then another Poshmark item here, and then some more Poshmark items down there. It's kind of like my little storage area. And then this is a clear acrylic vanity chair. I just could not give her up, so she stays there. I know y'all are gonna say I have so many mirrors in this room, and you're absolutely right. This one actually was already here in the spare bedroom before. I just am too lazy to get rid of it, and I didn't even know where to put it. So I just added these little heart neons that I got from Target during Valentine's Day. And then yes, I do have kind of like an obsession with vanity chairs. So my Hello Kitty vanity chair is in here currently because I'm using my other pink vanity chair, but we're gonna swap them back and forth, so I decided to keep both of them. And then I just got my phone here, and then of course a little Hello Kitty. Yes, there's more mirrors in here. So in this part of the closet, we have a small closet in our actual master bedroom. So I have my shoes here on the bottom, my husband has his shoes here at the top, and then he has his little sneaker collection right at the top. On this side of the closet, I do have this little bookshelf. My husband was actually going to get rid of this bookshelf, so I decided to keep it and store all of my Juicy Couture purses on them, and I absolutely love how she came out. If you're interested in seeing a video on all of my Juicy Couture collection, hit a like in this video and let me know in the comments down below, because I can do that. I love all of my Juicy bags. And then I have this little gold stand is from Ross. I bought it when I did this spare bedroom originally, and I just didn't want to get rid of it, so I just added these little books that are books that you can put little things in. They're like little storage bins. And then obviously my pink princess stays right here, and then this little Hello Kitty champagne bottle my mom gave me, so I don't want to open her up, she's just too pretty, so I just have her right there. Here's a little overview of her once more. I absolutely love how she turned out. The only thing that I have to fix about this room is the lighting, because the only lighting that I get is from this little fan, and she kind of gives a yellow vibe, so we don't want that. But I hope you love this video, and if you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bells, and I'll see you all in my next video. Love y'all.